Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Melrose Hill bypass to get an update on the construction that's going on here. Now this bypass, it runs from Poros to Williamsfield and it is being upgraded to become a part of Highway 2000. So the road is going to be turned into a 4-lane dual carriageway, and that's what we're looking at now, is the construction to upgrade it to those 4 lanes. And it's going to be a part of Highway 2000, and it will be a part of the section that runs from Maypen to Mandeville. So this is the actual bypass. This is actually the old road, where the original road that was here, and as you can see, they're upgrading it to 4 lanes of highway quality road. So a lot of persons asked what would happen to, like, say, that shopping center over there, or where a person sell food. But it's going to remain. It's going to remain, so persons can still access it. In the past, like when Highway 2000 north-south leg was built, Fatespen got a hit because the highway did not stop in Fatespen. The highway literally bypassed the Fatespen area. So that won't happen in this case. Okay, so this is a very nice view to show you what's going on. You can see the 4 lanes here with the Jersey barrier in the middle. I'm assuming this is the side we go on. So this is how the entire bypass is going to look, the entire road. Now the good thing is, you don't have to pay toll to use this section of the highway. So if you're going from Poros to Williamsfield, you would normally take the Melrose Hill bypass, and you can still take the Melrose Hill bypass and not have to pay anything. Now if you're going from the bypass onto highway to the highway, that's where you're going to pay the toll. But they have arranged it where this section of the road we're driving on, you don't have to pay toll. So it's going to be a major improvement for the persons who use this road. The road is going to be upgraded, and they don't have to pay to use it. So it will definitely make traversing this road or this area much easier. So when the highway is completed, and that's going to be later this year, August 2023, you can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 40 minutes. Unprecedented time. I mean, never before have you been able to move around the island so easily and quickly because of these highways. Kingston to Ocho Rios, 45 minutes. Kingston to Mandeville, 40 minutes. It's going to make a world of difference. And the toll to use this highway, it's not that expensive. We're in a class 2 vehicle, and from Kingston to Maypen, it's 1,200. So from the additional leg from Maypen to Mandeville, you're probably going to go through one more toll plaza, and the toll rate has not been announced yet, but it's not going to be that expensive. And the reason why is because a lot of persons use this road, so they can charge a lower toll. Now the other highway, the north-south leg of Highway 2000, is not used as much, so that's why the toll rate is much higher. But that's also a much longer stretch of road. But just can you imagine driving from Kingston to Mandeville, getting there in 40 minutes, and for class 2 spending $2,000? That's not bad. Class 1 is probably going to be about $1,000, and we're just estimating the additional toll. That's not bad at all. $1,000 to get there in 40 minutes in a class 1 vehicle, that's very reasonable. Alright, so that's how far the construction has reached, and the upgraded road is going to go all the way up to the vicinity of the steel factory in Williamsfield and come back out by the roundabout. And then when they finish that section, they'll build a section from the Williamsfield roundabout to Spur Tree, and then they'll build a bypass for Spur Tree and take the road up to Mount Pelio, and then from Mount Pelio down to Anchovy, and then from Anchovy they'll build a bypass for Long Hill, and then it comes back down to the Bogue Main Road or the Perimeter Road, and that will be where the highway connects to Montego Bay. I don't know if they ever stated how long the journey from Kingston to Montego Bay would be on the highway, but if from Kingston to Mandeville is 40 minutes, I would estimate probably another 40 minutes from Mandeville to Montego Bay. So you should be able to get from Kingston to Montego Bay in under 2 hours, maybe even an hour and a half. Definitely will make a big difference in the travel time. So this is now the Winston Jones Highway or the Mandeville Bypass. I'm just going to assume that the highway will incorporate this road as well, or they probably might build it to the left or the right because there is so much space. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.